So let's solve this problem. So to evaluate this limit, then from this given, so using the direct substitution, then we have x approaches to positive 5. So if x is positive 5 minus 5, this is 0, then over x is positive 5 plus 4, that's positive 9. Then square root of positive 9, that's positive 3. And 3 minus 3, that's 0. So the limit becomes indeterminate. So we cannot solve this limit using the direct substitution. So therefore, we're going to use the other method in solving for this limit. Then since from this given, we have this radical in the denominator, then we're going to use the conjugate. So multiply this given by the conjugate of this denominator. Since the given is minus, so the conjugate is plus. So we have the square root of x plus 4 plus 3. And also the numerator multiplied by the conjugate of the denominator. Then to simplify, so combine these two equations. So this becomes x minus 5 times the square root of x plus 4 plus 3. And for this denominator, since a plus b times a minus b, this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So observe that in the denominator, this is a and this one is b. So we have a squared. So that's the square root of x plus 4 quantity to the power 2. Then minus b squared, and b is 3. So we have 3 squared. Then to simplify, so we can cancel now this radical. So we have x plus 4, then minus this 3 squared, that's 9. Then to simplify, so we have x and positive 4 minus 9, that's negative 5. Then this time, we can cancel now this x minus 5. So the remaining, so we have the limit of square root of x plus 4 plus 3 as x approaches to positive 5. Then we can substitute now this positive 5 to x. So this becomes the square root of 5 plus 4, then plus 3. And 5 plus 4, that's positive 9. And the square root of 9, that's positive 3. So we have 3 plus 3, so the limit is equal to positive 6. Then for this given, so since we have this radical in the numerator, then multiply the numerator by the conjugate. So since this one is minus, so the conjugate is plus. So we have the square root of x plus 2 and also the denominator. Then to simplify, so combine these two equations. So we have x minus 4 times the square root of x plus 2. And for this numerator, so a plus b times a minus b, this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So this is a and this one is b. So we have the square root of x to the power 2, then minus 2 to the power 2. Then to simplify, so we can cancel now this radical. So this is x, then minus 2 squared is 4. Then we can cancel this x minus 4. So the remaining, so we have this, the square root of x plus 2 in the denominator, and in the numerator, we still have 1. Then this time, substitute now this positive 4 to x. So we have 1 over the square root of 4 plus 2. And square root of 4 is positive 2. So we have 1 over 2 plus 2. So the limit is equal to positive 1 over 4.